This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, this is Sonic R Mastery team. We are on week number 36. All right, we are supposed to do the video on last Tuesday. As you can see, we have a little bit of technical issues with my computer. So anyway, here we are. We still have a few more to go. We have today and tomorrow. At the same time, we have quite a lot of news coming up, right? As you can see, we have non-farm payroll on Friday and also employment rate on the Friday as well. So we can say that the week is not yet over. Okay, so let's take a look what we have. Okay, first I would like to talk about Bitcoin. As you can see here, we have been warning about this 7,400 level of being such a strong resistance, and yep, it really came true, right? But the thing here is that they have been climbing up for nearly 1 week, 10 days, right? But the whole climb up being just pull back or just being sold down within 2 days. This is how the market is all about. You want to, if you in order to have a in order to catch a proper move, of course you need to plan ahead. So it's like, now then a lot of people are talking about Bitcoin being so-called bearish. In fact, I would rather say if you want to sell now, actually you are late already. Okay, so I mean, of course, you are being late doesn't mean that you will want to long at the moment as well, because we have not seen any bullish looking price action at the moment in terms of daily candle, right? So the only thing that happening right now is that we can see that the price is being pushed back from 6,431 level, which is around this region. All right. So what is happening right now is that if you have a short, it's time for you to take profit and stuff like that. If you want to long, I would say you have to wait for a while. But anyway, the price movement is already so-called either in halfway or is already late, in my opinion, because we are at a very strong support level right now. So I will be stay slightly bearish on Bitcoin, but I will be watching it closely, because we also have a chance of being bouncing up from here is also quite high rather. So let's see how it goes. Okay, but overall I'm stay slightly bearish on Bitcoin. I hope you have a nice move from here, as we want you guys, or as we give you guys the information 3 days back. So it is really such a good move in our opinion. All right, so the next one I would like to talk about is Dow Jones. Okay, as you can see here, Dow Jones is Dow Jones is trying to sell down in a way, but last Wednesday and Thursday we have a very strong so-called pushback up going on. That means the price is dropping, but they have been pushed up rather. So the likelihood of climbing up is getting strong now. So I think the Dow Jones shall go back to 26,000 level, or even go back higher to 26,100 level. So I think the likelihood of going back up is quite high. So if you are looking for a short, I mean, I would suggest you not at the moment. Okay, is the chance of going up higher is there. Okay, the next one I would like to talk about is the British pound. Okay, British pound, I think among other pair like such as like Euro US dollars, I think British pound US dollar is a better one in my opinion. I think they can climb up faster. Okay, so I'm expecting sooner or later they should go and retest these levels such as like 1.297, 1.30, or even 1.304, 305 level in my opinion. So the likelihood of going up is quite strong. So British pound, I'm expecting the up move soon. Okay, all right. I think we are following along quite nicely. Also, they also have a similar structure on the gold. If you are bearish on gold at the moment, please be careful for the timing, because the market structure looks like is priming for a climb. There are two swing level that I want you to take note of. The first level is 1190. The second level is around 1183, this kind of level. I think as long as this two level is being supported well, I think they will go and cruise up higher. One of the ultimate support, ultimate resistance rather, being around 1213 level. I think they should go and retest 1213 level pretty soon, and the next resistance level will be 1224 level. So what I'm trying to say is that it looks like those pair against US dollar is making a climb right now. Okay, I just repeated, GU and this gold, they are pretty much getting more and more bullish at the moment. Okay, so that lead me to the another one is New Zealand. I think to me New Zealand also quite on par with British pound, US dollar. They are also priming for a climb. Okay, so I'm expecting they should go up higher, and of course the nearest support will be a nearer resistance will be around this 0.6690 level. So it's like we are around 0.66. So we are, I'm talking about, we have potential or tendency of going up around plus 90 pip move. So I hope you frame your position closely, and I hope you make the money out of it. Okay, so the next one is CADJPY. I have a short position on CADJPY. Currently, I'm not adding for a time being because they are sort of like slowing down. So I mean, they as a retest, I think they are going to retest here one more time, which is around 84.1, 84 level. But I'm not really adding more short anymore, but I'm still slightly bearish. Okay, I think they should go to this level as a retest. This is where I'm looking for a TP for a time being. Okay, so CADJPY, not entirely bearish anymore, slightly bearish. Okay, the next one I would like to talk about is this guy, right? WTI. Okay, WTI, I have been telling that we may have since this bearish looking candle show up, we may be like going to drop lower, and it is really happening right now. So at the moment, I'm pretty bearish on this particular guys. I think they can go down lower in my opinion. So for oil, I am pretty bearish for a time being. Okay, let's take a look. Let's see how it's go. Okay, so at the same time, you got to watch closely that see if they can break above this 69.7 level or not, because you know we haven't released this is not a clean breakdown yet, because I mean I would like to see one more bearish engulfing candle to confirm me. So it's not a clean breakdown yet, so it may still have a chance for it to go back up higher by breaking back up. So you know you have to watch closely how it's unfold. Okay, the next one is Nikkei. I have been pretty outspoken about it, pretty bearish on Nikkei for a time being, and it's really came in through already. So at the moment where we are right now is we are at the support level of 22500 level. So I'm not going to call for a bullishness, but if you have a Nikkei short like me, it's better for you to take some profit right now. Okay, I think I'm going to take some profit, and let's see how it goes. Okay, because the reason I'm taking the profit, because the chance of it being pushed back up or going sideways is quite strong. So might as well take some profit first, right? Money in the pocket is better than the money on the table. All right, so yep, I'm going to take some profit. So as a Nikkei, I'm still slightly bearish for sure, but I mean, try to be careful because they might go sideways, or I repeat, or maybe they might pull back up. So you know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some profit. I will wait for I will wait for it at a higher level to short it down again if possible. So this is all I have for today. All right, thank you very much, and yep, have a great week ahead. All right, thank you.
Okay, over my end, I'll be going through two cross pair. So the first one is also a USD pair, which is the USD to China Yuan. Okay, so USD to China Yuan, what we are seeing is that we are seeing some kind of interest spiking up when price reaches this $6.88. Okay, so we are seeing some interest by looking at the volume. You can see that this volume is coming in as one of the greatest compared to the history. So whenever such a big volume shows up, right, price would then starts to make a big move. We then followed by a big bearish candle, which lots of traders would jump onto it, shorting this pair. So I'm expecting price to do some retracement higher first to whip up those weak short traders. Okay, so we always have a tendency of placing a stop loss behind this swing level. So we'll look for some reactions when price reaches slightly above this swing level and look for better PA to enter the price. Long-term wise, long-term trade, I'm bearish on it, and this is the first support level. Of course, it could likely to break lower due to the volume that is picking up when price reaches a certain kind of level. Okay, so this is a pair that you can look up for. You can maybe hold it for a longer period of time. Up next is New Zealand Canadian, which has already made its move. So I'm expecting this price to go up higher so long as 0.864 support level is still holding. Okay, of course, the first resistance level that we could be looking to take our profit would be 0.875. 874 level, this resistance level, and if price were to break this level, we should be looking to long upon retrace, and it could likely to reach the next resistance level at 0.89232 level. Okay, so this is all we have for our weekly webinar, and then we'll see you guys on the upcoming Tuesday again. All right, thank you for watching, and yep, have a nice trading week ahead. Thank you.